MSMEs are known for being major job creators, providing employment to a significant portion of the Indian workforce, especially in the rural and semi-urban areas.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanshu Chaudhary for SME Futures and I welcome you all to a very special feature on MSMEs of India. Join us as we delve into the world of MSMEs where we will interact with various experts and top industry leaders and gain insights on the current emerging trends and technologies.
MSMEs operate in diverse sectors such as manufacturing, services, agriculture, handicraft, textile, and more, showcasing the sector's versatility and impact on various industries.
I think this is one of the very challenging but at the same time very friendly time for MSMEs to take the lead into manufacturing sector. The way the government of India is promoting MSMEs and trying to push this sector to take the leadership role into manufacturing.
The Indian government has implemented various schemes and initiatives to support MSME growth, including easier access to credit, technology upgrades, subsidies, and skill development programs.
हर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी है इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी, हर सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी इंडस्ट्रियल पॉलिसी है। आप उनके साथ जुड़ के मिल के काम करना सीखिए। तो गवर्नमेंट स्कीम मान ली कि सबसे बड़ा स्कीम अब प्राइम मिनिस्टर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन प्रोग्राम है, जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर जी का फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम है, जो अप टू 50 लाख तक की अपॉर्चुनिटी हर कोई को देता है और उसमें वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए और जितने भी SC ST OBC है उनको 25 से 35% सब्सिडीज दे रही है गवर्नमेंट।
Many MSMEs in India are also embracing digital technologies to streamline operations, reach wider audiences through e-commerce, and enhance overall efficiency in their business processes.
MSME को सभी को जितने भी MSME में हैं और जो नहीं भी अभी हैं और MSME के कैटेगरी में आ रहे हैं, सबको डिजिटल मोड अडॉप्ट करनी चाहिए क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी एक ऐसी मीडियम है कि जिससे कि आपकी फास्ट रीच पहुंच सकती है। ठीक है, उसमें साइबर थ्रेड और ये जब भी कभी टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करें तो ये सब भी आपके साथ साथ पीछे आएगा ही आएगा। उसको हम लोग अनसिक्योर और सिक्योर कैसे करें कि जो नॉर्मल जो ऐप बना रहा है या जो नॉर्मल डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म लेके आ रहा है, हम उसको डाउनलोडिंग और लिंक के लिए अवेयरनेस बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा।
MSMEs are known for their agility and innovation, often adapting quickly to change market conditions and technological advancements to stay competitive in a dynamic business environment.
Department takes a lot of initiatives to promote these local indigenous products. So basically we are focusing on One District One Product, which is an initiative of Ministry of Industries and Commerce. From Ladakh it is sea buckthorn, apricot, pashmina. All of these products have recently received their GI tags, and we have also gotten products from handicraft sector, particularly woodcraft, wood carving products, because that has also received GI tags. We also implement few schemes in UT Ladakh. Industries Department implements PMEGP, which is an Employment Generation Program scheme, and also PMFME, which is basically Ministry of Food Processing scheme. So we provide subsidy on that, help these entrepreneurs to basically give them all the hand-holding support and liaise up with the banks.
MSMEs in India have shown remarkable potential in entering global markets, with many of them being recognized for their quality products and competitive pricing on the international scale.
Now, as we were, talking about that, we are intending that more and more youth should come into, MSMEs. There are new MSMEs which wanted to come onto the fore. But then these particular MSMEs doesn't have that quantum of an turnover because they have recently started or they don't have an exposure to such, big projects. And there are consultants who invariably work for Government of India or the state governments to help these particular MSMEs, to how they can contribute or how they can, get themselves involved into such projects.
Well, this was a glimpse into the world of Indian MSMEs, their impact and their importance for the nation. As we wrap up our exploration into the realm of Indian MSMEs, it's clear that this particular sector is the backbone of Indian economy. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video and stay tuned to SME Futures for more such content.